Hey everyone, my name is Evan Tarakjian and I hope you all are staying safe and healthy during this time. I wanted to share with you a little video that I made from a recent winter walk slash hike. It was more of a walk that I did with Katie and Charlie about a month ago up north. And I brought along 3 cameras with me. I usually don't bring that many cameras. I like to bring 1, max 2 with me, but I had some rolls to finish off. So the first one is the Nikon L35AF. I heavily underestimated this camera. An awesome little point and shoot camera, really sharp 35mm f2.8, and it's so pocketable, so easy to carry around and just take quick shots. So really one of my favorite point and shoot cameras right now. I also brought along the trusty Canon AE1 program. However, I did just recently upgrade to the Canon A1, a slight upgrade. It has the aperture priority mode, which I love shooting in aperture priority mode, so that's why I picked it up. It also came with a 135mm f2.8 and the 50mm f1.4. Really excited to shoot with this. I fixed the dreaded shutter squeal. That gave me a little bit of an issue, but managed to fix that. Still haven't put a roll through it, so once I put a roll through this guy, I'm probably gonna sell the Canon A1 program if there are no issues. And finally, I brought with me the Pentax 6.7, just an absolute beast of a medium format camera. I have the 105mm f2.4 on this guy, perfect for portraits. So took a couple of Charlie and Katie, which you'll see. They turned out really nice. Also took a few landscape shots. Also awesome. I just love medium format, especially the 6x7 format. So yeah, I hope you enjoy the video, hope you enjoy the images, and like I said, stay safe and stay healthy.